Okay folks, what we have here today is another Ridgeway corner clock. It is made to fit in the corner, so it is a triangle shape. I've had 3 of these and they seem to sell fairly quickly. The case is in very nice condition. Really no scratches or dents. Get a good look at it. It is a triple chime Ridgeway, and it does play Westminster, St. Michael, and Whittington. Also has a silent option, has a working moon dial, clipper ship, and really American home. Let you hear the chimes. Nicely detailed dial, nice brass accents here. And there you have it.